how to use TripAdvisor vacation rental. So if you're trying to get the vacation rental section on TripAdvisor, here is an important update for you to know. The TripAdvisor officially ended its vacation rental offering in November 2025. This means you can no longer use the old TripAdvisor vacation rental feature to search for and book vacation homes directly through the platform. So if you're following an old tutorial that tells you to open TripAdvisor and select vacation rentals, that option may not be available any longer. So you can still use TripAdvisor to search a trip, including checking hotels, attraction and restaurants, travel reviews, and other available travel options. But for a dedicated vacation home or apartment rental, you will need to use another rental booking services. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.